Hello everybody. Okay, let's have a look what we got today. All right, this is ESP32 C3, okay, and with an OLED screen, we managed to get via internet the weather, which is a temperature in Cape Town, and the weather, the sky, it's raining or it's clear. In this case, it's raining today, so there we are. You can see the result there. Temperature Cape Town is 10 degree, which is freezing and it's stranger for autumn, not useful. Okay, we're going to reset it. Okay, it's a little bit small, but yeah, it probably can be done bigger. Not sure how to go about that. Okay, so let's have a look at the codes. Okay, on the code, what do we have to do on the code? One thing you must be careful is when you set up your code, you also have to give the country and the city. Sometime, if you want to know the weather where you live, obviously you have to give the city's name. In this case, I put Cape Town. But if you don't put your country, just remember that the latitude is right around the world. So, I mean, like in Cape Town, for example, on the same latitude, you have Sydney, and all the way around you have Buenos Aires. So if you don't put the city, and that's one of the mistakes that I tried earlier on, I set it all up, but I didn't put the city and the country, and it kept on giving me 26 to 30 degree. And it was 10 and 12 here, and it was raining, and it says clear sky. So I didn't understand why. Eventually I realized that it was taking the temperature and the weather of other places in other parts of the world. So you got to specify that. Okay, then what else do we have here? In the city, you put it here. You set up your string and your API keys and everything. I put my API key over here. There we are. And you have your set. You can also test it on the web. You copy this one, this HTTP. One thing you must remember, it's if you use a ESP32, they are not user-friendly with the SSL. So the HTTP, in this case here, while, for example, the 286 and the 8266 has no problem with that. If you put an S here, you're going to have a problem. So you're going to keep the S out. So there you are. And obviously your service set identifier here, the name of your Wi-Fi station and your password. I quoted this because I use secrets.h, which is you put your username and password on the secret file, so you don't have to show it here. And what you do, you include the secrets.h here, and you get them from here. When you click down here, it tells you add a new tab. You say new tab, yes, and then you type, you just set it up. And there you are. So obviously you can unquote this and put your username and password here. So you unquote them, it will run your username and password. So, but in my case, because I publish it on the YouTube website, I need to cover it. Okay, so there we are. It's pretty good. Let us see if not sure if you can read it. maybe with this. Let's see. Obviously, you can change, take the temperature off and put your name of your city, for example, and you can, just put the full name. And you can change take the weather off and put something else there if you want to. So obviously you can't change the description because that will come from the internet and the JSON file. And obviously it is raining outside, so it shows rain. Simple as that. Reset. I like to have bigger reset button because this one is too small. There you are. Yeah. So the next one is going to be with the VMOS, the 8266, ESP3266. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. You have a good day.